Hi there, this video is going to show you how to replace soft returns with hard returns. So sometimes you might receive a document or transcript and the paragraph spacing looks really uneven. So for example, this one, there's no gap there between the paragraphs, there's quite a big gap there, but it doesn't look like the same. No gap, little gap, etc, etc. Now usually this has been caused because paragraph's been set differently. So a mixture of soft returns and hard returns. So the way to check this, if you go to this icon here, which I can never remember what it's called, show hide, it will show you the returns. So this one here is called a soft return, and this one here is called a hard return. Now it looks like whoever originated this has tried to get it even in some places by combining the two, or using free soft returns, etc. But as you can see, it's looking pretty uneven in reality. So the way to do this, if you go to home, you want to replace them all. So you go to home and replace. The shortcut is Control H. And here we have find and replace. So we want to find all the soft returns in this document. So you go to the special menu, and soft returns in here are called manual line breaks. Don't know why. I suppose that's what they are actually. And you want to replace every manual line break with a hard return, which is called a paragraph mark. So you do replace all. Let's make 19 replacements. Okay. Now you can see it's still really uneven, and again I think this is because a mixture was used originally. To see what's happening, press the show hide again, and you can see it has replaced all the soft returns with a hard return, but because there is a mixture of some had used two soft returns in the original document, it's still looking quite uneven. So again, I'll go to replace or Control H, and now I want to replace every double return or double paragraph mark with a single one. So I would make that a paragraph mark and another paragraph mark afterwards, either by using the menu in the same way, or you could highlight that, Control C, click Control V. And so you replace all the doubles with a single. Replace the 8, still see there's a little bit of a gap there and there, so I'll just repeat that. And it's all looking nice and even now. And to check that, you can go back to the show hide to make sure there's none of the soft returns hanging around, and there's not. So that is it. I hope that helps. Thank you.